So, have you ever seen fairies? I mean, obviously, in fairy tales, movies. Have you all seen?
Yes.
Thank you. So, what's so special about them?
They have wings, we don't.
Absolutely, they have wings. But what if I say that we have wings too? Maybe it's not visible, but they are incredibly powerful. I'm a small town girl and always felt and realized that I have two wings with which I have to fly higher, higher, and higher. Don't picture me right at the rooftop, maybe for some rooftop adventure. Let me be very clear, I'm not planning any rooftop adventure. I know it will end up with more than crash landing and hadiyan bhi toot jayengi, and I don't want. Let's think about one thing that gives us power to achieve our dreams. That one thing, that can fill the gap between dreams and achievements, goals. So, what is that one thing? Let me tell you, belief and determination are my wings. And I've always realized that the power of wings is there and I have to fly. Dreams without goals will be just dreams. Without commitment, will never start. And without consistency, it will never finish. So I'm Shikha Sareen, a business entrepreneur, and wanted to share my views, my life journey through 4 decades of my life. So I'll start with the phase one of my life where I was born and in a bustling Punjabi family, all cheers and celebrations until my little beautiful sister made her grand entry. And then the drama started for my parents. कोई नहीं पुत्र भी हो जाएगा because there is an unspoken rule in our family, maybe in society we all can correlate that only a beta can be the vansh of the family, that can carry on the legacy of the family, and that can be the chirag raja putarji of the family. Especially in Punjab, I have faced that. So every glance from my relatives with each passing day actually pressured my parents. And I still remember I was just 6 year old when I just caught up in a grown up conversation and I said, Papa, आपने टेंशन नहीं लेनी, मैं तुहानू तुहाडा पुत्र बेटा बन के दिखाऊंगी. And there my journey began. It was not easy because I have gone through this little problem, dyslexia, and reading the words, the second one before the first one. Back then, nobody knew what actually it was, and I was also struggling, like just solving the puzzle. But I cannot remember names and numbers for the life of me. Till now, I give everyone whom I meet now, I give my own name to that particular person. And in fact, my children, my husband, my family, whosoever see my contracts will say, now who is Pahad? Who is Lambu? Who is H? Who is M? I have given thousands of namkarans. Until now, in my memory, I have very few limited words. And learning each word is a task for me today. But you know what I have learned from the first decade of my life? I was wrong at some point. मुझे अपने पापा को बेटा बनने का कहना ही नहीं चाहिए था, क्योंकि एक बेटी भी वो सब कर सकती है अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए जो एक बेटा कर सकता है. एंड आई डाउट इनफैक्ट बेटियां ज़्यादा कर जाती हैं. और मैं चाहती हूँ कभी ऐसा भी सुनने को मिले कि बेटा बोले आकर, मैं आपको आपकी बेटी जैसा बन के दिखाऊंगा. In the second phase of my life, my parents gave me a formula for my life. Like the ingredients we have, like oxygen with hydrogen comes to be water. We mix two colors like red and blue, it produces purple. So for my life, I have two powerful ingredients which starts with alphabet B. B1 is take blessings. My dad taught me. हमेशा अच्छे इंसान बनना, दूसरों से दुआएं लेते रहना. मेरी लाइफ में दुआओं ने बहुत मैजिक क्रिएट किया है, एक अच्छे इंसान बन के दिखाना. एंड B2 was taught by my mom. She always says, you are you. That's your strength. You have the abilities, you have the capacities, you have capabilities. Just go on. पहला कदम उठाती जाओ. हर कदम पहला इतना खूबसूरत बना दो कि बस तुम्हें तुम्हारी मंजिल तक पहुंचा दे. I always wanted to be like Kalpana Chawla, so my mom used to say in typical way like all other moms, जी ओ कर सकती है फिर तुसी क्यों नहीं? ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਮਾਂ ਨੇ ਜੰਮੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, so you can also do it. And those words have always created magic for me. आज भी वो मेरी ताकत है. In school, I excelled in my studies. I was participating in debate, dramas, declamations, painting, you name it, I was there. At the age of 17, I also represented my country, India, at Clongloughlin, North Wales, London. And I still remember my uncle quoted, "इन्हें तो ना अपनी कुड़ी नू बिगाड़ लेना है." मतलब, that time was, I'm talking about 25 years back. So girls never used to travel alone so far. So, but I could see the pride in my father's eyes when I came back with international award and also followed up with many, many, many national and district awards. So then I realized, when I came back, I realized the essence of that poem we study in our Hindi. जब चिड़िया उड़ती है ना आसमान में और वो तब कहती है, जब मैं उड़ी आसमान में अपने पंख पसार, तभी तो समझ में मेरी आया बहुत बड़ा है ये संसार. And then even I aimed to achieve even higher, higher and higher. And I asked my dad, can I join Delhi for my college for further studies? And he said, of course, you can. But then life threw a curveball. And that was when my father got diagnosed with Parkinson's, and an extreme level it was. So under unseen circumstances, he has no other way to get me married at the age of 20. And it seems like full stop. But you know what I have learned from the second phase? Whenever you think that, something is going wrong, or probably the things are not happening the way you want, the way you expected, trust one thing. You are being planted to bloom, to grow. So in the third phase of my life, I was planted with my in-laws supporting me to do my graduation. Then I did my master's. And also, somehow some aunties have that thing na, to poke always, like, अच्छा MA कर रही हो, okay. पर MA कब करोगी? मतलब माँ कब बनोगी? So I delivered my daughter, who is 18 now, at the age of 22, and during my, my studies. And also वो सीरियल्स में जैसे होता है ना, आपको एक परफेक्ट बहू भी बनना है. So I was trying and balancing the best way I can to balance my home, my studies, and then also started working with my sister-in-law. Then I started working, doing painting, selling them, fabric painting, wall paintings, whatnot. Whatever I got the opportunity, I was doing it. Later, I always feel there is something that, हर चीज़ जो आप एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं लाइफ में वो दो बार होती है. एक बार यहाँ आपके ब्रेन में और दूसरी बार आपकी लाइफ में. So everything we imagine is real. So that's what happened. I always wished to join my husband's tent house business. But whenever I asked, I was told, ये लड़कियों के बस की काम ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे लड़कियाँ, आप लेबर को कैसे संभालोगी? लेबर तुम्हारी भाषा तक नहीं समझेगी, ये मजाक नहीं है. And then one fine day, I got an opportunity because 2 clients came at the same time, and my husband said, okay, one was a group of girls, and my husband said, please to inko aare lagaye in Punjabi. It means that make them busy. And they were in hurry. They told me this. And I also, being creative, suggested them, aise kar lete. Then next morning in the school, when I was a teacher, I got a call from my husband. ये क्या commit करा है? मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा, आके कराओ. And that's it. I entered a business where I always wanted to be. And I did the decor in the way that everybody appreciated and quoted that, girl from Delhi has come and done it. The girl from Delhi has come in. And I was feeling like, chalo, Delhi se sahi samjha to sahi ke girl ne kara hai Punjab mein. After that, everything was going very well, but I was still, touched by one comment, which will I never forget, was इसको अपने करियर की पड़ी है ना, और ये केयरलेस मॉम है. Trust me, I have tried my best to balance my children, my home, my work, because they are my first priority. So in the third phase of my life, I just learned one thing. हर कदम आपको अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचाता है, और कभी आपको लगे कि एक बाउंड्री है और उस बाउंड्री के पीछे सिर्फ और सिर्फ आई थिंक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स हैं, ब्रेक दैट वॉल, बिकॉज उस वॉल के पीछे 110% आपकी हैप्पीनेस, आपकी सक्सेस, और अगर फेलियर भी है तो भी एक लर्निंग है. सो इन द फोर्थ फेज ऑफ माई लाइफ, my all the challenges turned into victories. And from a humble base like a tent house, we established 3 resorts in our city by the name of Festin Era, Royal, and Palais, which is the most opulent one in Punjab. So here, I made my parents proud that I was the first woman of Punjab and Amritsar entering this industry. Everything was going so well and fine, and in COVID, my heart got affected and my lungs got involved. I was on a wheelchair for months and months. My heart was working just 36% that time. I felt like that it will be again over. But another believed in me that I have to recover and stand again. And one quote actually gave me a kick. That was, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But never stop. And one more thing, with success, my dyslexic problem even got more complicated. At the moment, I could see people doubting me, my capabilities, because they thought that I cannot connect. But no, I couldn't allow it to affect me more, because I know that people who love me, like my family, my parents, my siblings, my most beautiful husband, so supportive husband, that those people who ever doubted me are, stands nowhere. So always felt like that I have to go on and on. So now I'm adding one more B to my own formula of life, which is believe, blessings, and be rooted. Because मुझे लगता है जो पेड़ की जड़ें कमज़ोर रह जाएंगी वो बहुत जल्द कट जाएंगे. So now in the future life, I am living my each moment, each day with shukrana, 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 and being grateful. So here for the audience, I just want to say, if God has given us this life, He has given us the reason, abilities to strive. So never underestimate yourself. Never think that you are less. Never think that, I cannot do it. Then never doubt your capabilities. Never give the control of your life to anyone else. If you fall down 7 times, 8वीं बार भी उठो. Because keep rising, keep learning, keep believing, keep achieving. The one who is Shiva, the one who is Durga, the one who is power, the one who is strength, the one who is you, and the one who is me, the one who believes is the only one who achieves. So खुश रहें, हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते रहें. Thank you.